Okay, today I'm a second grade because I'm not first grade of kindergarten. I'm just like this course not here. Was a second cough and just like coughing. And you know what happened? Cora coughs a lot. Because Cora's coughing and I'm not coughing or sneezing. Because Cora's is sneezing a lot. And you know what happens? Cora just cough. And Cora's just like being sick. Cora is so sick. So Cora's just not coming. Because when Cora was coughing at technical quest. Okay, and Cora, do you remember Cora was coughing? If you're sick yesterday, then you'll be here. If you're sick, then you have to stay at home. If you're sick, then you have to stay at home. Because I'm not coughing and sneezing. Because Cora's so sick. Cora's so sick. Yapping. Cora's so sick. Sneezing and coughing a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.